Fire chief, we store the tools on the truck. Some of the tools we use are axes, hammers, and saws. Firefighter 1, they help us break into burning buildings. Firefighter 2, we use ropes to get people down from high places. Okay, what are some of the tools that firefighters use? They use axes, like this, hammers, like this, and saws. Saw is for cutting. So saw can cut wood. If the building has wood that blocks firefighters, they can cut through. Also, what else do they use? They use ropes. They use these ropes. If someone is in a high building, they can throw a rope to the people to help them get down from high buildings. So they use ropes, axes, hammers, and saws. Narrator 1. The fire truck also carries first aid kits. Fire chief. Firefighters know how to help people who are hurt in a fire. We learn about first aid when we go to firefighter school. Narrator 2. Firefighters do more than put out fires. They also teach people how to prevent them. Okay, so what is another piece of kit that the fire truck has? The fire truck has a first aid kit. First aid kit is when someone is hurt, they can help them with bandages and things like that help people who are hurt. And how do firefighters know how to use the first aid kit? The firefighters learn about first aid when they go to firefighter school. So firefighters learn how to help people who could have been hurt in the fire. Fire chief. It's clear that teaching people about fire safety is important. Many lives could be saved if people knew how to prevent fires. We go to schools, homes, and stores to tell people how to prevent fires. We can't do our job well unless other people help. So what are some things firefighters do that is not just fighting fires? The firefighters go to schools, homes, and stores to teach people how to prevent fire, how to make fire not happen. No fire, so firefighters don't have to come. Prevent means stop fire starting. Fire never happen. Narrator 1. I agree. The best way to stop fires is to keep them from starting. That's why we all need to learn about fire safety. Narrator 2. Learning fire safety rules is something everyone can do. In that way, we can all work together to be firefighters. Okay, so why is it important to learn about fire safety? We all need to learn about fire safety because the best way to stop fires is to keep them from starting. Best way to stop a fire is if fire never happens. So before firefighters have to come, just no fire. A lot easier than these guys having to go to a dangerous situation. If we all know how to make things safe. Great job, guys. I hope you enjoyed this story.